Paint looks nice. Oh, it says please don't touch. I wasn't planning on it. Sticker says money pit. Got this Supra over here next to this Viper, revving it up. Got Tron in the background over there. Forged line wheels on the C8. Another 57. Oh, look at that, Corvair. Oh, 2 Corvairs. This white one looks pretty cool. Lower, some wider wheels. Like a road race car or something? I thought these Corvairs had all kinds of suspension problems factory. Oh, look at that Grand Am of flames. I like this orange truck down here. Probably won't stop her.
See him and be like, okay.
Oh, look at these cars. Yeah. Bike. Another one. Honda S2000. It's like D-badged and stuff. Looking clean. Oh, SV Lambo. This Camara's awful quiet. '67. Look at this Camaro. Go back to this V12 Lambo SV from the 90s. Yay. Still has original glass. Diablo.
Something going on there. Start seeing a specialist.
Wow, it's awesome.
Something's
Cool truck. Ford Maybe 100 custom cab. Oh, look at that Optimus radio from Radio Shack. Yeah. 65 Mustang for sale. 25.9. It says call Jack. 30 over, 289, 4-speed, rotisserie restoration. It's clean. Landau top. Luggage rack. Clean car. I like this Corvette. Bet you like this black one. Dang, look at this Mustang with this big ass truck next to it. El Camino. 69 Chevelle. Looks alright, 10 feet. Ooh, I like the 442. I like the color. Supra. I don't know if it's the most expensive car, but yeah. What else we got? Miata with some inky RPF ones. Cool color on the Mustang. Clean Chevelle. Cool color on the Mustang.
The badges. In the front.
What's that badge mean?
You don't know what it means?
I don't know what the heck that means. What does it mean? It's what?
Loki.
Is that Ford? Oh yeah, I don't know about that. I don't know nothing about that. Oh, look at that. Is that a coyote on the fender? Got a coyote on the fender. Look at that. How? Oh, look at this truck next to it. Looks a little rich. Sounds good. SS. I race Porsches. 40 XP. Cobra. Billet. Somebody spent money restoring an EXP. Clean Fox body. Like the wheel, tire setup.
I had a 63. 98.
Old Jeep Renegade. That's kind of cool.
Where's Daisy?
Oh, there's that S10 leaving. I like that. It's nice and clean.
Really good at that. That sounds better, you know.
This is cool.
So he did
I
it.
like the colors, white, black. Look at the lamps.
Much better. But what made me think of that is the gas. It likes the gas a lot more. You know how you do on the farm, the breeders off the sucks, it does that now.
Yeah.
And it's got the
Clean. I would definitely rock that. Check out the Jeepers Creepers. Lincoln Continental. Oh, Z28 sitting back there. White one in the back. It's pretty cool. Firebird over here. Jeepers Creepers. It's like a tow truck.
Jeepers, creepers, where'd you get those peepers?
It's got like a tractor and a little wagon in the back. I like this Firebird. I like the color, wheel, tire. I like everything about it. Fan right here, man.
Spicoli!
Yeah. In memory of G.O. Whatever that is. Oh, he's got temp tags on it. He's got a kitchen sink. Look at the Chevelle. Look at them tires on the back of this thing.
Don't they mind if we sit in our chairs?
I don't think they care.
Laying out in their van?
I think that Katana motorcycle got a flat rear tire on it. You trying to stunt or something?
Jerry Pay, take care. Thank you. Matt said that's that guy with the coyote.
What's this got in it?
No way.
Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.